Alright mga kapamilya, this is the segment where we are kicking up the kitchen with Kiko Man. Okay. Para sa mga multitaskers po mga kapamilya, this segment is for you. Natutulog na kayo pero nagluluto kayo. Okay ba yon? Ang gagawin po natin ay slow cooker patatim. Bakit special to? Because right now, I am using several Kiko Man ingredients para lalong special at masarap ang ating slow cooker patatim. Unang-una, magpainit po tayo ng kawali. Alright? Now, we are adding about 4 tablespoons of canola oil. Kailangang mainit na mainit yan. Alright? Habang pinapainit natin, let me get my pata. Malinis na po ito. I have pata here and I have liempo here. Okay. I am using the back part of the ham hock. Yung po rito, yung legs, para mas maraming laman. Hindi ko ginamit yung narito sa harapan, yung likod. And then, para meron pang laman na kadagdag, gumamit din po ako ng liempo na idadagdag natin. These are already pre-seasoned with salt and pepper. Yan. Alright. Alright. Alam nyo, mainit na mainit kinakailangan ng mantika nyo because as you put all this pata into the pan, biglang bababa ang temperature. Magiging balance. So, kinakailangan very hot. Now, we are going to sear this for about 2 minutes. We're gonna turn it over and sear it for another 2 to 3 minutes para brown na brown po siya. And then, we'll move on to the next part of the cooking process. Ito yung process na tapos na kayong mag-sear ng meat. Antok na kayo, gusto niyo nang matulog. Pero you still have one remaining step bago kayo pumunta sa bedroom at matulog. Yun is to build the patatim dito sa inyong slow cooker. Alright? Gagawin po natin. Alright? Ilalagay na natin yung, syempre, yung pata. Alright? Yung 4 pounds po, kasyang-kasya dito sa size ng slow cooker na ginagamit ko. Pagkatapos niyan, about 4 to 6 cups of pork stock. Okay? Kung gusto nyo rin lang talagang maging special to dahil gumagamit na tayo ng Kiko Man, ituloy na natin. You can always boil your pork bones at gawin yung stock. Alright? I-sear nyo muna o i-roast nyo sa oven yung inyong mga buto. Mga kapamilya, gagawa na rin kayo ng patatim na special, gumamit na kayo ng Kiko Man black bean sauce na may garlic. Alright, we're using about 2 teaspoons. Sa Tagalog, ang black bean tausi, pero puree tausi po ito. Okay? I'm only using 2 teaspoons. Pagkatapos niyan, hoisin sauce. More than 100 items po meron ng Kiko Man. Sa dinami-dami, isa na rito ang hoisin sauce. Ang hoisin sauce po, mga kapamilya, combination po ito ng plum puree, soy sauce, miso, at saka tubig. Maglalagay po tayo ng 1 cup ng hoisin sauce. Alright. Gagamit po tayo ng 4 tablespoons Kiko Man sesame oil. Okay. 1/4 cup ng Kiko Man rice vinegar. Gagamit po tayo ng 1/2 cup ng Kiko Man soy sauce. 5 piraso, 5 pieces ng star anise or sangke. Alam niyo ba yun? Napakabigat na Tagalog nun ha. We are adding garlic. 10 cloves of garlic. Now, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. One stick ng cinnamon. Okay? Hindi lang po pang dessert, pang patatim din. There you go. About 6 pieces of dried bay leaves. 2 cups ng banana blossoms o bulaklak po ng saging. And syempre, ground pepper. Siguro pwede na nating hindi lagyan ng salt. Kasi maalat na yung soy sauce at saka yung hoisin sauce, pati yung black bean sauce. So, wag na nating lagyan ng salt. I'm gonna cover this. Alright, let's talk about slow cooker. Kung nagmamadali po kayo at hindi naman kayo talaga patulog and you do this in the afternoon or early in the morning, you wanna turn this into high and cook it for about 4 to 4.5 hours. Ngayon, kung patulog na kayo, antok na kayo, and you just want to cook this, paggising nyo sa umaga, meron na kayong almost done finished product, and then you wanna use low, and you wanna cook this for 8 hours. Okay po ba? I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I'll show you the finished product. Good morning! Siyempre, natulog na kayo, di ba? O after 8 hours, eto na. Ang inyong slow cooker pata team. Let's open this. Alright. In all reality, pwede na po nyong kainin to. Ganyan. Ngayon, if you wanna go an extra mile, gawin natin puro yung sauce. I am separating the meat from the sauce. Clean bowl. Strainer. Hold it. Okay? Natanggal na natin yung bay leaves, natanggal na natin yung cinnamon stick, natanggal na natin yung star anise. Turn it on high. You can either use the broth or water, about 1/2 cup. Depende po sa lapot ng sauce na gusto nyong gawin. Alright? I'm using about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch here. Make sure that the cornstarch is completely dissolved in the water. After about 3 minutes, kumukulo na po. So, what do we do next? Okay, lagay na natin yung dissolved cornstarch and water mixture. This will make the sauce thick. I will continue to whisk this hanggang sa lumapot na po siya. And then, we're gonna put it back into the pata. Beautiful. And let's garnish that with blanched bok choy. Ito po ang slow cooker pata team, mga kapamilya. And next time, join me again as we kick up the kitchen with Kiko Man. Enjoy!